Imagine a world where you start as a tiny seed, then grow to a towering giant. Welcome to the mysterious and mesmerizing life cycle of a plant. It's not just any journey, but a magical one that starts at the smallest of sizes and grows to unimaginable heights. As if part of a grand orchestra, every stage of a plant's life cycle plays a unique and consequential role. Let's delve deeper into this captivating journey. The first stage is the germination phase. As humble as it may seem, the seed is a capsule carrying the promise of a future plant, patiently waiting for the right conditions to awaken. The seed begins its journey by soaking up water from the surroundings like a sponge. This process is known as imbibition. The water trickles into the seed, causing it to swell and split open. This marks the start of the plant's life, an exciting moment in the plant's life cycle. With the shell split open, the seed now embarks on its growth. A root grows, penetrating the soil in search of nutrients and water to sustain the plant's life. Simultaneously, a shoot grows upwards, poking through the soil's surface and reaching out to the sun. Together, the root and shoot lay the foundation for the plant's survival in the vast world above and below the ground. Next, we move to stage 2, the seedling stage. The grandeur of this stage lies in its simplicity. Here, the nascent plant develops its first leaves, designed to be solar panels of nature. These leaves bask in the sun's energy, absorbing its light and converting it into food through a magical process called photosynthesis. The plant at this stage starts to establish itself, preparing for a robust life ahead. Our journey proceeds to stage 3, the growth phase. This phase is a testament to the plant's resilience and ambition. It grows taller, stronger, dauntlessly striving upwards towards the sun, its leaves and branches spreading out like an artist's canvas. The plant's body enlarges, producing more leaves, more branches, hence increasing its capacity to create food and continue its growth. Next in line is stage 4, maturity. This is the climax of the plant's life cycle, the point where it reaches its full potential. The plant blooms, adorning itself with beautiful flowers. Each flower, a marvel of nature's architecture, is a symbol of the plant's maturity. The plant doesn't just stop at producing flowers, it goes a step further and produces fruits, encasing seeds for the future. These fruits serve a dual purpose, nourishing the animals that consume them and ensuring the continuity of the plant species. Finally, we reach senescence. The plant ages, its pace slows and it begins receding back into the earth from whence it came. The plant's life starts to wane. Its luscious leaves wither and its vibrant blooms fade. But in this apparent decay, there's a promise of rebirth. The plant leaves behind seeds, each one carrying the potential for the next generation. From seed to senescence, that's the incredible journey of a plant. It's a cycle of birth, growth, reproduction, and death, a testament to the enduring tenacity of life. It's a journey filled with lessons of resilience, growth, and transformation.